Hey friend, welcome to this special guide. Picture this: you drag yourself out of bed after a full night's sleep, but you still feel wiped out. Your ankles look a little puffy by the end of the day, you're up 2 or 3 times at night to use the bathroom, and you just can't shake that foggy feeling. You tell yourself it's just stress, getting older, or maybe too much screen time, but deep down you wonder if something inside isn't working quite right. Those quiet little signals are your body's way of saying your kidneys might need a little extra love. Your kidneys are the amazing filters that quietly clean 200 quarts of blood every single day, pulling out waste and toxins so you can feel energetic, sleep better, and keep your blood pressure steady. When they get overworked from everyday habits, toxins can start to build up, and that's when the tiredness, swelling, and other changes creep in. In this complete 1 to 2 hour health guide you're going to learn, in simple everyday language, what flushing toxins and supporting kidney repair really means for your daily life, why kidney function can change over time because of age, diet, stress, family history, or habits most of us never think twice about, the warning signs and gentle body changes you should never ignore, and the practical, doable steps that can help protect and improve how your kidneys work, starting today. Everything we talk about is gentle, hopeful, and focused on education, not fear. Small changes really can add up to feeling better, more energetic, and more in control of your health. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's start with the basics so you can understand what's really happening inside your body and why it matters for your daily life. Your kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs, each about the size of your fist, sitting just below your rib cage. Every minute they filter your blood like a high-tech sieve, removing waste products and extra fluid that we call toxins, balancing minerals, helping control blood pressure, and even making hormones that keep your bones and red blood cells healthy. When they're working well, you feel light, energetic, and clear-headed. When they get stressed or start to slow down, those waste products can linger a bit longer, and that's when everyday life starts to feel heavier. Next, let's talk about the signs and changes you should pay attention to in your daily life. I'll break them into 3 easy groups so nothing feels overwhelming. Mild changes you might notice first: feeling more tired than usual, even after good rest. Needing to pee more often, especially at night. Foamy or bubbly urine, like beer foam. Slight puffiness around your eyes in the morning or ankles in the evening. Moderate changes that deserve extra attention, ongoing fatigue that makes simple tasks feel hard. Changes in urine color, darker or lighter than normal, or amount. Itchy skin or muscle cramps at night. Trouble sleeping or restless legs. Serious warning signs: please talk to a doctor right away if you notice these: significant swelling in legs, ankles, or face. Shortness of breath or chest discomfort. Nausea, loss of appetite, or metallic taste in mouth. Confusion or difficulty concentrating. Remember, many people feel completely fine until the kidneys have already been working extra hard for a while. That's why awareness is so powerful. Now, let's look at the everyday things that can put extra work on your kidneys over time. The good news? Most of these are things we can gently improve. Common lifestyle causes and risk factors include: not drinking enough plain water, dehydration makes kidneys concentrate urine more, eating too many processed foods, salty snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food, sitting for long hours with very little movement, smoking or regular alcohol use, ongoing stress and poor sleep that raise blood pressure, carrying extra weight, family history of kidney issues, diabetes, or high blood pressure, and existing conditions like diabetes or heart disease that quietly affect the kidneys. You don't need to have all of these, even 1 or 2 over years can add up. The beautiful part is that the same daily habits that protect your kidneys also help you feel better overall. Now that you understand the basics of how your kidneys work and what can affect them, let's move on to how this is usually checked and what we can do to support them. If any of these signs or risk factors sound familiar, here is how kidney health is usually kept in check and followed over time. In everyday medical practice, doctors look at kidney function with 2 very simple tests most people have already had during routine checkups: a blood test that measures creatinine and calculates your eGFR, estimated glomerular filtration rate. This shows how well your kidneys are filtering waste, and a urine test that checks for tiny amounts of protein called albumin that shouldn't be there if the filters are healthy. They also keep an eye on your blood pressure, because healthy blood pressure is one of the kindest things you can do for your kidneys. Sometimes they ask about your daily habits, family history, and any medicines you take. These are all normal, gentle ways to stay on top of things, nothing scary. If the underlying stress on the kidneys continues without support, over time it can quietly lead to more noticeable tiredness, fluid buildup, or extra work for the heart and bones. The wonderful news is that catching things early and making small supportive changes can often slow or even stop that progression, helping you stay active and feel good for years to come. Key prevention strategies and early actions you can take in daily life include staying well hydrated with plain water, choosing more whole foods, moving your body regularly, managing stress, and protecting your sleep. Many people also find it helpful to track simple numbers like blood pressure at home and bring their latest lab results to checkups so they can watch trends together with their doctor. This is all general health information only and not a replacement for your personal medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for your own situation and decisions. They know your full picture and can guide you best. If you're still with me, you're already taking a wonderful step for your health. Let's keep the conversation going. Take a quick moment right now and ask yourself gently, how many glasses of plain water do I usually drink in a day? Do I notice any swelling in my ankles by evening? How's my sleep? Do I wake up feeling refreshed? What does my plate look like most days? Lots of colorful plants or more packaged foods? Have I ever put off a checkup because I felt fine? These aren't judgment questions, they're kind check-ins with your body. Drop a comment below and tell me, which one of these habits feels easiest for you to improve first? Or share a small change that already helped you feel more energetic. I read every single comment and love celebrating your wins with you. If this is helping you understand your body better, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover simple, reliable health information. And if you have friends or family who complain about constant tiredness or puffy feet, share this video with them. One kind share can start someone else on their own gentle health journey. In just a few minutes we're going to walk through the top 4 best foods that can help support your kidneys' natural ability to flush waste and feel stronger, plus tiny daily habits that make everything easier. You'll also get a realistic step-by-step plan you can start this week without overwhelm. So stay with me, the most practical and hopeful part is coming right up. Quick win while we're here, try sipping an extra glass of plain water right now. Your kidneys will thank you immediately. Small actions really do add up. Now, as promised, let's go step by step through what you can actually do in your daily life to support your body and protect your kidneys. We'll start with the star of today's guide, the top 4 best foods you should eat to help flush out toxins and support kidney repair. These foods are chosen because they're rich in antioxidants, gentle on the kidneys, and contain compounds that help your body handle waste more comfortably. Add them gradually and enjoy them as part of a balanced plate. First, cranberries, fresh, frozen, or unsweetened juice in moderation. Their special compounds help stop unwanted bacteria from sticking in the urinary tract and provide antioxidants that support your kidneys' natural flushing ability. Try a small handful of fresh or frozen berries in oatmeal or a splash of unsweetened cranberry juice diluted in water. Second, cabbage, raw in salads or lightly cooked. Packed with phytochemicals that help protect cells from oxidative stress and support the breakdown of waste products. It's low in the minerals that can be harder for kidneys and high in fiber that gently aids elimination. Shred it into slaw with a little olive oil and lemon, delicious and kidney-friendly. Third, cauliflower, fresh or frozen. Contains natural compounds that assist the body in neutralizing certain toxins, plus plenty of vitamin C and fiber. Mash it as a side instead of potatoes, roast it with herbs, or add to soups. It's incredibly versatile and gentle. Fourth, blueberries, fresh or frozen. Loaded with powerful anthocyanin antioxidants that fight inflammation and support overall kidney cell health. Add a handful to yogurt, smoothies, or eat them plain as a sweet treat. They're low in the things kidneys need to manage and high in the good stuff. Together with these foods, here's a realistic lifestyle plan you can start slowly. Diet: choose more whole foods, colorful vegetables, fruits, fiber-rich options, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reduce added sugar, refined carbs, very salty processed foods, and fried items. Aim for plenty of plain water, your kidneys love it for flushing. Movement: start with 20 to 30 minutes of gentle walking most days, light stretching, or simple strength moves at home. Even standing up every hour helps. Sleep: try going to bed and waking at roughly the same time, keep your room cool and dark, and wind down without screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Stress: practice 5 minutes of slow breathing, short walks outside, or calling a friend. Small calm moments protect your blood pressure and kidneys. Routine checkups: discuss your latest numbers with your doctor during regular visits and track how you feel over weeks and months. Everyday do's: drink water, eat more plants, move daily, sleep well, laugh often. Everyday don'ts: reduce slowly, excess salt, sugary drinks, smoking, long stretches of sitting. Quick FAQ section. If I feel okay, can I still have a kidney issue? Yes, kidneys are quiet workers and often don't shout until later. Regular gentle check-ins are wise. Can lifestyle changes and these foods really help? Absolutely. They support your kidneys' natural processes, reduce workload, and many people notice more energy and less swelling over time. Are all natural detox products safe? Not always, some can actually stress kidneys more. Stick to real foods and water, they're the safest and most effective. Will these changes repair my kidneys overnight? No, but consistent small steps can support better function and slow any changes beautifully. Remember, this is educational information only and not a replacement for personal medical care. Work with your doctor or a registered dietitian to make the plan right for you. You now have everything you need to support your kidneys gently and confidently. We've covered so much together today. We started with the basics of how your hardworking kidneys filter toxins and keep you feeling good. We looked at gentle signs to notice, everyday causes, how kidney health is usually checked with simple blood and urine tests, possible longer-term effects if we don't give them support, and most importantly, the practical steps that put the power back in your hands. You now know the top 4 supportive foods: cranberries, cabbage, cauliflower, and blueberries, and how to weave them into meals. You have a realistic plan for diet, movement, sleep, stress, and checkups. And you've heard the most common questions answered with kindness and honesty. Here's your short, realistic action plan to start this week: add just one of the top 4 foods to your meals every day. Take a 15 to 20 minute walk daily. Drink 1 extra glass of plain water with each meal. Check your blood pressure at home or schedule that routine visit if it's been a while. Pick one habit to reduce gently, maybe less salty snacks or earlier bedtime. Small, consistent changes over time really do make a big difference. Your body is resilient, and every kind choice you make is a vote for more energy, better sleep, and feeling lighter in your daily life. You've got this. Be patient and gentle with yourself. Healing and better health happen one calm day at a time. If this video helped you feel more hopeful and informed, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can keep walking this simple health journey together. Next, you might enjoy understanding your daily health numbers and simple habits to support your heart and energy, both full of the same calm, practical guidance. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending this time caring for yourself. You deserve to feel strong, clear, and full of life. Take care, listen to your body, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay well, friend.